deeper and really look under the hood of what's happening in the markets and the economy, then I'd like to personally invite you to join us this Friday for our next monthly capital markets update and outlook. We discuss the positives, we discuss the headwinds, and we also discuss the outlook for what we think it all means for both the stock market and the economy. You can join us again in person for lunch or conveniently online as well. This is your opportunity to look over our shoulder and get an objective analysis of the current environment. We encourage your questions, and you are welcome to invite a friend or family member who would benefit from the information provided. Again, the presentation will be delivered in person at our office in Eden Prairie, and it will also be streamed online as well. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks were mixed last week following better than expected corporate reports and increasing optimism over a slowdown in interest rates. The Dow Jones Industrials Average edged a little bit lower, slipping 0.15%. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose 1.62%, while the NASDAQ Composite Index led, picking up 3.31%. The MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks overseas stock markets, increased by 1.16%. Strong earnings reports and encouraging inflation data lifted stocks ahead of the Federal Open Market Committee's decision on Wednesday to hike interest rates by 25 basis points. Markets rallied following the announcement, relieved that the increase was in line with expectations and buoyed by post-meeting comments in which Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged the disinflationary forces in place. Fresh earnings reports fueled further gains with positive earnings surprises from several big-name technology companies that benefited the larger universe of NASDAQ-listed high-growth companies. Disappointing earnings from 3 mega-cap tech companies and a strong employment report triggered a Friday pullback, pairing the week's gains. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 0.25%, signaling to the financial markets that it would likely hike rates by another 25 basis points at its next meeting in mid to late March. Fed officials said the slowdown in rate hikes might provide time to assess the impact of the accumulated rate hikes. The Fed retained language in its post-meeting statement that future rate hike plans were unchanged to discourage investors' hopes of an imminent pause in the rate hike cycle. In his post-meeting press conference, Fed Chair Powell reiterated the Fed's commitment not to declare victory on inflation prematurely, but acknowledged that a disinflationary trend was underway. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interests. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to learn about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end. I've got another riddle for you. Remember, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, whatever your favorite platform is. Be the first one, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is, what is the beginning of sorrow and the end of sickness? Something you cannot express happiness without, something that is always in risk, but never in danger. Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video online on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. And a big shout out to Rob in Independence for correctly answering last week's riddle. Great job, Rob. If you'd like the answer to previous week's riddles, you can visit our website /riddles. to find those out as well. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update. If you're not getting this email and would like it, you may subscribe at our website, which again is www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.